Now we're adding mixed numbers, so we have 2 and 1/9 plus 1 and 2/3. To add mixed numbers, we need the denominators of the fractions to be the same. Now 9 is in the 3 times table, so we can find an equivalent fraction to 2/3, which has a denominator of 9. So we can rewrite our question as 2 and 1/9 plus 1 and 6/9. Our equivalent fraction is 6/9 because 3 times 3 is 9, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 2 and 1/9 plus 1 and 6/9. If we add the fractions first, 1/9 plus 6/9 is 7/9, because remember the denominator stays the same, and then adding our whole numbers, 2 plus 1 is 3, so our answer is 3 and 7/9. Now we have 2 and a half plus 2 and 1/6, so we can find our equivalent fraction to 1/2, which has a denominator of 6, because 6 is in the 2 times table. 2 and a half is the same as 2 and 3/6, because 2 times 3 is 6, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well. 1 times 3 is 3. We're still adding 2 and 1/6, but now we have common denominators in our fractions. So if we add the fractions first, 3/6 plus 1/6 is 4/6, because we keep the denominators the same in our answer, and now adding our whole numbers, 2 plus 2 is 4, so our answer is 4 and 4/6. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.